Welcome at PASC23 on stage. I am here with Michael Langper, Ludovic Räss, and Samuel Omlin. And can you please tell us what the mini-symposium was about?
Sure. So the mini-symposium was about bringing together scientists with different backgrounds that all use Julia for high-performance computing, and then, of course, to integrate the audience in discussions, etc. And I think this worked out very well. We had a panel discussion in the end where we could really see what is kind of the current state, what people think should maybe be improved, and in particular, discuss also a bit the political and societal scenario.
Okay, very good, thank you. What were, after the discussion and these panel discussions and the presentation, what were the major achievement, or what was your take-home message? Michael?
Maybe I can start answering that. So for me, it was really great to see that there were so many people interested in using Julia for high-performance computing, and not just the people we already know that are already active in the Julia for HPC community, but the mini-symposium was actually full, so there were a lot of non-Julia people interested in hearing about the developments and what's going on. And maybe the other thing that was really interesting and very encouraging also for me was to see that there so many people are thinking about similar issues, and they're all working on making them go away. And there's actually progress from each meeting to the next where we see, okay, things are going in the right direction.
Very good. This is actually a it means that the mini-symposium are actually reaching their goal, I guess. What are the next steps then? What are you going to do to keep the momentum created at the PASC conference?
Well, I guess we will try to really build on, well, what we started last year with the first version of that, or the first iteration of that Julia for HPC mini-symposium. And I guess we doubled the contribution, we more or less doubled the number of attendees over this second edition, and I will hope that we'll kind of continue on that momentum for proposing a third edition in the next PASC conference. And I guess in general, we look forward that there is momentum, and that both for, well, now active research, some big supercomputing projects that use also Julia for HPC, and also that at, well, ETH and everywhere else, I guess, on the world as well, there's like more and more Julia in the teaching, and so like to educate the next generation to, let's say, more modern and interactive supercomputing. That's really things, I guess, that drives our effort and really keep us motivated to continue that. And venues like PASC conference is really a great opportunity for us to just foster community and bring people together that have a common goal. So that's really nice.
Thank you. A short statement for the three of you. What did you like best of this PASC conference? Michael.
So they asked me that I have to answer this question because this was actually my first PASC conference, and I have to say I really liked the whole conference organization. So it was a great location, great rooms. It was a great hybrid conference experience. The food was excellent. There was always food and drinks. I will come back next year. Thank you. Anything you want to add?
I can just second his statements.
Yeah, I also agree, of course.
Thank you very much. Then see you at next PASC conference 24.
Yeah, thank you.